beautiful miniature. And the name is Rob's Junebug. Now I found a sucker in there, but then I thought it was a sucker, but I was giving it time to grow so that I can identify if it's a sucker or the buds of a flower, of a violet. And I confirmed that they're little flowers and not the suckers. I almost was taken for a sucker, ha ha ha. But see, there are yeah, they're just flowers. However, I did spot one that is a sucker. That one. However, see that? I'm gonna give it another week so that I can make sure that it's easily identifiable as such. But that's exciting. It's really looking healthy. And I keep it in this environment because they like the moisture. And it protects them from this dry weather and having the heater on. But I'm gonna go to another one of my miniatures and remove a sucker that I have identified is actually so.